up everybody, Chevy Dave here with a special kind of unique video. So I'm in the process of selling one of my vehicles, my personal vehicles, and it's pretty dirty just from sitting out on the lot and needed to be cleaned up. So we are an Adams dealer as far as Adams detail we use here at our dealership, and it's great stuff. We absolutely love it. And so I did a quick video just kind of showing the difference of how easy it is and how quick and how good it turns out as far as cleaning up your vehicle. So there's a link below if you want to order it directly from Amazon, or you can contact me and order it directly from our dealership as well. So once again, this is Chevy Dave. Thank you for checking out my video, and have a wonderful day. Hey, what's up everybody, Chevy Dave here, and I got a little special kind of video I'm going to do today. So I'm basically in the process of selling my car. So I drive a vehicle from the dealership now, so that my car's been kind of sitting there for a while and it's gotten pretty dirty. So I wanted to kind of showcase one of our products. So we have this Adams. If you're big into detailing vehicles, you know that Adams makes great products. So we got this little detail kit, and all of my detail guys keep telling me how great this kit is, so I'm going to kind of put it to the test today and kind of clean up my car a little bit. So I wanted to kind of give you guys a little bit before, as far as kind of how dirty it's gotten just from kind of sitting at the dealership in the parking lot. So I'm going to just kind of clean the inside of it and kind of show you what these products kind of can all do. So here's what all comes in a kit. It comes with a detailer spray, interior detailer, and then tire shine as well. It comes with a microfiber cloth, and then this little foam stuff that's for the tire shine, and then 3 nozzles to kind of to use with it. So I'm gonna kind of use this interior detailer and kind of see how clean I can get the interior of my vehicle. All right, Chevy Dave back here, and just kind of wanted to give you a quick look at the interior. I literally did this in probably 15 minutes. I really like this stuff. My honest opinion, it doesn't make everything real greasy. It kind of brings it back to what the factory was, and it cleaned it up really good. It kind of gets underneath the dirt and kind of lifts it up, and all the dust and everything like that. So it's real easy. It just kind of wipes right off, and then the microfiber cloth just goes right into the washing machine, and you can use it again. So this kit is I would definitely highly suggest it. So if you're interested in it, we have it here at Diane Chevrolet. Message me and I can get you a price, and we can ship it to you as well. All right, thank you for checking out this video, and have a wonderful day.